Alright guys, I'm going to change my low oil pressure switch on the Generac 3500 today. Got the old one down there, which as you see is bypassed. Got a brand new one right here in this package, so we're going to put this on and see how it works. Alright guys, so I got that in there. I did just turn it on and it ran awesome. Look at that new low oil pressure switch. So if it gets below 8 psi, that will ground out this engine. It seems like after like 5 to 10 seconds. So the old one was activated all the time, even with some good oil in there. So we had bypassed with that connector right there, that switch, to keep it running for a bit. Got the new one in, put it in, worked great. First pull, came right on, worked awesome.